Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a super fun blue liner look for Navratri and Garba. It's super glowy and traditionally Gujarati culture inspired. So if you like what you see so far, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And let's get right into it. I'm going to be starting off with the Tarte Shape Tape as my eyeshadow base. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte C eyeshadow palette in volume 2. This palette is so pretty and I haven't used it in a really long time. I'm just going to go in with the lightest shade in the palette, which is an ivory color, in order to set my concealer. This has a satin finish, but if you want, you could also use a matte one. Next, I'm going to be going into the shades called Marina and Seaside and just blending it into my crease as my transition shade. We want the eye look to be pretty simple so the blue liner can really take the stage. Going in with Breezy, this taupey slate color, I'm just adding it on the outer third of my eye and just bringing it up slightly so it blends into my crease shade. Okay, I did not expect this lid shade to be this pearly and luminous, so I'm just going back in with my brush that I use for my crease and just mattifying it down a little bit. Next, for the fun part, we are going to be going in with the NYX Vivid Brights Liner in Vivid Sapphire. So I usually start my wing liner from the center. I'm just pulling the liner across the center and creating that base line. Then I'm going further in and creating a thinner line closer to my tear duct. Once I have the base liner down and I have the wing drawn out, I go back in to add another layer of the liner and make it thicker if needed. Now that the hardest part is done, we're going to be moving on to our face, and I've been so tired of using matte foundations, so today we're going to be going back to the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is the first time I'm trying out the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer, and I absolutely love it. It's just a little bit darker, or exactly my skin tone, for a brightening concealer, so I'm just using it as a base and then going in with my Tarte Shape Tape to give that brightening effect. If you can see, I'm focusing the Tarte Shape Tape on the darkest parts of my eye and then bringing it down. We are going in with the extra coverage today, so I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm going to be using that medium deep brown shade and adding it in the contours of my cheekbones, on my forehead, and right under my jaw. I'm also creating a shadow under my lip and contouring my nose. Using cream contour definitely takes some time and practice, so if you're not comfortable with this step, go ahead with your powder bronzer, but for this I'm just going to be blending out the shades and really creating the shadows in the contours of my face. I'm going in with my Morphe brush to really buff out all the harsh lines. Then I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury pressed setting powder and just setting the concealer under my eyes. I am then going to go into my Hoola bronzer in the color Caramel and add that color in wherever I added my contour. I'm going to bring that color in and just create a really nice bronzy, warm look to the skin. If you have a tendency of adding that bronzer all over that face, make sure you really start up high so you're not going below the hollows of your cheeks. I am absolutely falling in love with Patrick Ta makeup, and I'm going in with his blush duo in She's That Girl. It's a really soft, nice, peachy pink blush. It really works on any skin tone. I'm just quickly using my powder to set and brighten underneath my contour and bronzer. You guys have seen me do my brows like 100 times, but I'm quickly just going over the shape with my Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. I really do miss my Benefit eyebrow pencil and my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. I'm just not used to using this definer and thicker tip. Just haven't had a chance to repurchase the pencils, so hopefully I can do that this week. I honestly do love the Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil though. The tinted gel is definitely a game changer. Now to finish off my eyes, I'm going to be going back into the colors Seaside and Marina to blend that out underneath my eye. I'm going in with my Maybelline black eyeliner pencil and then curling my lashes and using the Maybelline Eyelash Sensational Mascara. Oh my god, I cannot stop raving about this particular product. This is Patrick Ta's lip liner and it's so creamy and the color is so beautiful, but the packaging is kind of annoying. The whole clicking is just not my thing. It's a cool and innovative concept, but if I had this in a rolly pencil, this liner would be perfect. I'm just finishing this off with my NYX Butter Gloss. For my highlight, I'm just dipping back into my Colourpop Duo palette and adding it to the high points of my cheeks, my nose, and under my brow. To set my face, I'm using the NYX Dewy Finishing Makeup Setting Spray. This setting spray has such an interesting spray, and to me, setting sprays are supposed to have really good sprays, and this does. It also leaves your skin super, super dewy. Okay, now we're all glammed up. I'm gonna go over it in just a little bit. I'm just adding the 3 dots on my chin with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm also going to extend the liner look by adding 2 dots in the same line as my liner. I just really want to make the blue pop, so I'm going in to my Morphe 35D palette and picking up the brightest blue. Using a smudger brush, I'm focusing this color on the outside and then slowly bringing it in. It's just supposed to be a hint of color on the bottom lash line, nothing too crazy. And this is it, guys. This is the final look. I added my bindi and I also replaced my gold nose ring with an oxidized one. Switched out my usual gold earrings with this oxidized beautiful peacock earring. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super dewy, fun blue liner look for Navratri. Happy festivities. Stay safe and I will see you guys in my next video.